Slice every topping you want to add. And then slice the minced pork. Fry the minced pork first. Then add toppings you slicing it previously. Put in Korean spicy sauce, sugar, ketchup, black pepper. Add some oil. Let's make a fried egg. Huh. Is it the special skill that I make fried eggs by spoon? Yo, eating with salad is really nice. Exactly. Make it the main dish. Secret recipe. Cheese. If you would like to add cheese, and then you can put a bit less salt. It's showtime, hee hee. Tips. 1. Stir FTY minced pork first. 2. Half spoon is enough spicy for one person. Serve. 3. Secret to Korean spicy sauce, ketchup.